Good morning, students. I chemist once again present here to proceeding the chapter 8 algebraic expression. Students, in the previous video I discussed what is term, what is an algebraic expression, what is various type of algebraic expression, that means monomial, polynomial, binomial, trinomial and so on. And also I discussed the coefficient. Students, in previous videos one term is left, like and unlike term. So students, in this video first of all know what is like and unlike term. Students, I think you know like and unlike fraction, like and unlike decimals, because it's already discussed in previous classes. Similarly students, here like term are those terms, that means in an algebraic expression those terms are said to be like term if they have the same literal, that means same variables. Suppose here I write an expression 5x and another expression 2x. Students, here constant part is different, but here variable part, here variables, here literals be exact same. That means here all these are like terms. Students, here I write 5x square and 2x. Observe here literal is x square and here literal is only x. Here literal's power is 2, but here literal's power is 1. So here literals are not same. Here literal are not same, because here x to the power 2 and here x to the power 1 x. So these are 5x square and 2x are unlike terms. Clear students? Like terms and unlike terms. That means in an algebraic expression the terms which have the same literals, same variable are called like term, and which have no same literals, that are called unlike terms. Students, here I discussed like and unlike term because today we will study about addition of algebraic expressions, addition of algebraic expression, and subtraction, addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. First of all, know addition of algebraic expression. Or students, always notice addition be done in only like terms, and when two or more like terms, then we add its constant. Constant means, students, here constant 2 is constant, here 5 is constant, that means numeral part will be added or subtracted. Suppose here I write add 5xy 2xy 3xy, and so you have to add this. That means here you have to write 5x plus xy plus 2xy plus 3xy. Friends, in all of these literals are same, xy, xy, xy. That means we we can add its numeral part. 5 plus 2 plus 3, that means 5 plus 2 7 or 3 10 xy. Its sum be 10 xy. That means in sum of algebraic expression we add only its numeral part, number, but add numbers only when if these terms be like term. So students, always notice addition and subtraction of algebraic expression only done in like terms. Addition and subtraction not be done in unlike terms. Suppose you have to add 5x square and 3x. That means you can't add 5 and 3 because its literal be different. That means its literal part is not same. That means these are unlike term. So it will be written only 5x square plus 3x, and it's the simplest value, simplest form of this. Similarly, students, you can add the numbers. Now I am going to discuss process of addition of algebraic expression. Here mainly we discuss two types. One, column method, and another method is row method. Row method means when algebraic expressions be written in a row, that means in a line horizontally, then it will be set to row method. And when algebraic expressions be written one below to the other, that means in column, that means this method will be known as column method. Now I am going to discuss here column method and row method. Students, here I write two questions. Add all of these. Observe here in one first expression, second expression and third expression, and all of these are monomial. That means all of these have one terms. So add, and we add it first method, row method. That means first method, row method. That means in row method we arrange all of these expression in a row. Here write 5x plus here minus 2x and plus here 7x. Students, here all of these are like terms, so all of this numeral part will be added. And I think you know the simplification method. Here suppose you have to add simplify 5 minus 2 plus 7, and its value be 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 minus 2 10. Similarly, students, you can add here 5x. That means you can write it 5x and plus and minus, that means minus 2x, and here plus 7x. Students, here 5 and 7 will be added. That means here it will be added 12x and here minus 2x. And then students, here subtract 12 minus 2, that means 10x. That means its answer be 10x. And this method is known as row method. Suppose students, you have to add it by column method. That means first of all write all the expression in column. That means one below to other. Suppose here column method. Here first write 5x and then write below it minus 2x. That means here minus 2x and then 7x. And students, here you have to add, that means these are plus and these are plus, that means 10. Here 12 and 12 minus 2, that means 10x. When you add any method of the algebraic expression, answer be always equal. So if you add by this method, it will be row method, and it add by this method is column method, and you can choose any method as you wish. Which method you find it will be easy, so you can choose method by self. But if a specified add this in row method, then you add the expressions in row method. That means these are the addition of monomials. Students, here also I write a question. Here 7x by, here by x. Observe students, you have already learned in previous classes commutative law of multiplication. That means a into b is equal to b into a, and you know a into b in algebra it will be written ab and is equal to ba. That means here if a students here in this term xy and in this term yx, that means these are equal because order of the numbers can be changed in multiplication. So our students, all of these are like term. Here 7xy, xy variable is xy. Here also by x, that means xy, and here xy also equal. All of these variables be same. So all of these are like term. So you can add it by any method, row method or column method. So add it. Suppose I write it here, add 7xy, and you can change. You can write it 6xy, and here minus 2xy, and add all of these. 6, 7 plus 6, here 13, and minus 2, 11xy. This method is column method. And students, if you add 7xy plus 6yx and minus 2xy, that means students 7xy, and you can write here yx as xy, 6xy, and minus here plus minus and 2xy. That means students 7 6 13, 13xy minus 2xy. That means students here 11xy. These are answer. Similarly students, you can add any monomial expressions. These are monomial expressions. Now I am going to add monomial, binomial, monomial and binomial, 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 trinomial, trinomial, binomial. That means now proceed to add the following questions. Here I write on the board. Here I write some questions of addition of expressions, algebraic expression. Here first question is add 5x plus 2 and 7 minus 2x. Students, here first of all arrange the like term and write all the like terms in a column with same like term. Suppose here we have to add this. That means first of all write 5x and plus 2, and then students here in this expression here 5x, that means its like term is minus 2x. That means you can write here minus 2x first, and here 7 is plus, so plus 7, and then you add it. When you add, that means it will be 5 minus 2, that means here 3x, and it will be plus 9. It's your answer. Similarly students, you can add here two expressions are written. One expression is if and another expression is if. So students, here observe, first of all write 7xy plus 2x minus 3x square. And students, after that write the like term below one term. Suppose here first written here 2x square, that means x square like term is here. Then first of all write here it's plus 2x square, and then students here minus 2x by, here minus 2x by is here, and here is plus 5x. That means here write plus 5x and minus 2xy. And now add it. Here minus 7 minus 2, that means 5xy, and here plus 7x and here minus 3 and plus 2, minus 1 and 1 is not written, so 1 minus x square. These are your answer of this. Now here students, another question is written here, three algebraic expressions 1, 2 and 3. Here 3 expressions are written and you have to add. That means first of all arrange all of the like terms in a column. First of all write here 3a minus 2b plus 5c. After that here 2a plus 5b minus 7c. That means 2a plus 5b and minus 7c. And then minus a minus b and plus c. Students, when you add it, its result be here 3, 2, 3 to 5. These are in plus and then minus 1. That means 4a. After that here 2 plus 5 minus 2 plus 5 and minus 1. That means students here you can observe minus 2 plus 5 and minus 1. Its value be plus 2. That means here plus 2b. And here students 5 plus 5 plus 1 and minus 7. That means 5 minus 7 plus 1. Its value students, its value be 5 on 6 minus 1 equal to minus 1. That means here minus 3. So students, is your answer. It's answer of this addition. Now students, I am going to discuss here subtraction of algebraic expressions. Here on the board I write some questions. Here first subtract 5x from minus 2x. That means students, here you have to subtract 5x from 2x. That means you write here 2x minus 5x. And students, here these are like terms and here its value be 2 minus 5. That means minus 3x. So friends, you can subtract by this method easily of any question of your exercise. Now friends, proceed here another question. Subtract a square minus b square from b square minus a square. That means friends, here we have to subtract these from these. That means first write this b square minus a square. Here b square minus a square. And in column, when we arrange this, first of all, here we have to subtract this a square minus b square. That means here minus b square and plus a square. And students, when you have to subtract, then change the sign of the below expression. That means here plus minus sign, then it will be changed into plus, and it is in plus, so it will be minus. That means this sign be invalid, and observe it this sign. That means here b square plus and these are in plus, b square and b square, so it will be 2b square. And the student here minus a square, because this symbol is invalid and this symbol is invalid. You can't circle the symbol. Here I circle the symbol for explaining, for understanding clearly. Here students, here minus a square and minus a square. That means minus 2a square. That means its answer be this. Friends, you can arrange this in row method. Suppose you have to arrange it in row method. Then here you write a square minus b. Here from this, that means b square minus b square and minus a square minus b square. And then minus it before the bracket, then b square minus a square and minus a square plus b square. And then its value like term be at the same place. So b square and b square. Here 2b square and a minus a square minus 2a square. So these both answer be same. Similarly, students, you can add or subtract any expressions as given in your exercise. Now students, proceed. Here subtract this expression from this expression. That means first of all write this expression and then like term, all of this is like term below to the this expression. First of all write this 7x square minus 2xy minus 4y square, and from this all of the like term be written below to the each term. Here x square and here x square. So write first 5x square. Here minus 3xy and here plus y square. And students, you have to subtract. Then in subtraction, change the sign of the below written expression. Here these have plus sign, so it will be minus. Here minus sign, that means it will be plus, and here minus sign, it will be minus. That means students, here 7 minus 5, not plus 5. Here sign is written below. That means here 7 minus 5 is equal to 2x square. Here plus 3, not observe minus 3. Here plus 3. So plus 3 and minus 2. That means plus 1xy. And here minus 1 and minus 4. That means minus 5y square. These are answer. These are subtraction of this. Now, students, here you have a question given. Simplify. Simplify this. That means first of all arrange all of this and write all the like terms expression at the same place near to each other. Suppose we have first written 2x square. That means first write 2x square and or another 2x square term is here. So first write here 2x square and then plus 6x square. Plus 6x square. After that students, minus xy and the xy also written here plus 5xy, that means plus 5xy and xy is also already written, and plus x 6x and students x, another like term is minus 4x, so minus 4x, and students after that x square is written, xy also written, x is also written, 1 plus 3y is remaining, so write in last plus 3y. Now students, I simplify this. 2x square and 6x square are like term, that means 2 plus 6, 8x square. Now here minus xy, 1xy and plus 5y, that is minus 1 plus 5, that means plus 4xy. Now here 6x and minus 4x, plus 6x and minus 4x, that means plus 2x. And now here plus 3y is only one term, so write plus 3y. Friends, this is the simplest form of this expression. Similarly, students, you can simplify. All of the question is given in your exercise. So students, today I completed all the questions from 1 to 6 of exercise 8C. Students, in next video I will explain some more questions of exercise 8C. Students, today I give you homework to complete exercise 8C from question number 1 to question number 6. If any problem, then contact me. That's all. Thank you.